Okay, guys, I'm gonna tell you some things about me, myself, the one and only light blue demon. Alright, so for now on, for most of the time, I'm gonna make, drumroll please, Roblox videos. Because my whole thing is about Roblox characters. Sometimes I might talk, sometimes I might do this. Like you see my drawings. Yeah, okay. On how I made them. Tutorials sometimes, maybe in the future. Alright, lovely. Hello, I'm like a Luke Demon. Not telling you my real name because it's too specific. Some of you might know me at school. One of my friends are probably watching this. And yeah, and there's another channel, Trey. It's my brother's channel. Yes, I took it. He is like annoying, very, very annoying. But I'm just saying that probably because he's my brother. Sorry, if I played YouTube, he might be better than me. I'm joking, that's never gonna happen. Yeah, so I'm pretty good at Roblox. I'm gonna make more videos where I talk. I just have to figure it out a little bit, just a little bit. I'm still trying to like figure out this whole singamajig. Singamajig, thingamajig. Okay, I don't know what to say. If you're clicking something, it's like those beads, those stick together, and like you can make something. I'll put it away. My channel's gonna be a little bit family friendly. There's gonna be some things that are probably not inappropriate. Just like me saying like a cuss word once in a while, like one, maybe 0 a video. Yeah, there's not really else to say. So, one of my favorite games is Zombie Attack. And I'll tell you why though. Have to wait to a future video. Yeah, let's go. Yeah, let's go. Yeah. I am kind of crazy. I'm like the crazy kid at school, kind of. Actually, I'm like the least craziest. I'm pretty cool, if I say so myself. I don't know if that's a good thing or a bad thing. Me and my friend at school done a collab. Yay, the Crying Demons. You probably saw that video by now. If you haven't, go check that out after this video. You can, I don't know what to say now. Oh yeah, I'm planning on making a TV show called like Blue Demon. It's gonna be fun. It's gonna be awesome. It's gonna be amazing. It's gonna be chef's kiss. Yeah. And I have a lot of characters. I'm also making an animation. Me and my friend. I don't know if they want their name on there. I'm not gonna say their name. I'll just say, let's name her Mysterious Person. Okay, so me and Mysterious Person. Me and Mysterious Person. Are making an animation on the Crying Demons. You should Go check it out. We only have one that I made. It looks bad. It really does. Okay. But yeah, that's pretty much it. I'm planning on ending the video now. But yeah, if you like, you don't have to. If you want to, if you really want to, but you don't have to. I'm not forcing you, because if you go tell your mom that I forced you to go subscribe, I swear to God. Yeah. So yeah, that's pretty much it. Yeah. Bye. You can subscribe if you want to. Hit the like button.